Welcome. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the steps to delete all your browsing data by time on Google Chrome. Whether you're looking to clear your history for privacy reasons or simply to free up some space, this process is straightforward and effective. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open Chrome browser. First, locate and open your Google Chrome browser. You can find it on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Step 2. Access the menu. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the window. You'll see 3 vertical dots which represent the menu. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. Step 3. Go to Settings. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can customize various aspects of your browser. Step 4. Privacy and Security. On the left sidebar of the Settings page, find and click on Privacy and Security. This section contains all the tools you need to manage your browsing data. Step 5. Delete browsing data. Next, click on Clear Browsing Data. A new window will pop up, presenting you with options for what data you want to delete. Step 6. Choose your options. In this window, you can select what types of data you'd like to remove. You may want to check options like browsing history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. Make sure to review these options carefully based on your needs. Step 7. Select Time Range. Now, look for the drop-down menu labeled Time Range. Here, you can choose how far back you want to delete data. The options typically include last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or all time. Select the appropriate time frame for your needs. Step 8. Delete data. Finally, after selecting your options and time range, click on the Clear Data button. This action will remove all selected browsing data from your Google Chrome browser. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted all browsing data by time on Google Chrome. Regularly clearing your browsing data can help maintain your privacy and improve browser performance. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing.